Any in-custody deaths today? No? Good. Did you violate anybody's rights today? Good.
Marvin Scott's family wanted officers to be indicted for his death, but we now know, at least at this point, that that is not happening.
The DA's office issued a statement saying that these jailers, the 8 jailers, will face no criminal state charges and were no billed by the grand jury. And in a rare move, the grand jury also issued a statement saying they found no probable cause to indict.
So let me guess, you don't understand this process of how somebody can get murdered in jail and nothing happened to the murderers? Here's what happened. There's a process you have to file. First, somebody gets murdered or another serious crime occurs. Then there's an investigation. Later on, the investigators bring all their evidence over to the DA. The DA is the district attorney, and his job is to put bad guys in jail. He's an elected guy, and his name is Greg Willis.
What you talking about, Willis?
So anyways, Willis brought all his evidence over to the grand jury, where they met in secret, and it's always kept secret. Everything's kept secret in a grand jury room. And then the grand jury looks at the evidence and they decide, yes, we're going to indict these people, which means we're going to officially accuse someone of a crime, or we're going to say, nope, not enough evidence, let them go, and that's called a no bill. And that's what happened with the Marvin Scott case. And we'll never know if this fool Willis brought everything out of his evidence bag, because there's no records kept and everything's done in secret, and even the grand jurors are secret. What are they going to do about that one guy that died? I heard that they were going to just, like, not prosecute, and all those people got to come back to work. I wouldn't want to work with someone who's a murderer, would you? No way. That would be, like, terrible.
Well, nobody was murdered.
How did he die then? That's what the autopsy report said, it was murder.
Read the news media.
Really? But the autopsy report said it was murder. Homicide is what it said. So I guess you have a different definition of homicide than I do. Homicide to me means somebody killed him. How would you have a homicide if nobody killed somebody? I don't know either. So, you really trust those guys back there? You don't think that? But that guy lost his life. And then his mama trusted them too. And he lost his life. That sucks. Poor lady, poor mom. Aren't they? They are. How do you murder somebody and come and get your job back?
Maybe he didn't murder anybody.
Oh, gotta be some other corruption. If they can get away with murder, they're doing a lot of other shit. Gotta be. Dear as man as I am, there is something you can do. You can let them know how you feel. When they pick up the phone, just say you don't appreciate that nobody paid for Marvin Scott's death. That's easy, simple. Were they still playing shenanigans at the jail? We went to find out. So over here they do TV visits. So this is their video visitation right here. So this is how you're able to visit your inmate, like right here. Look, there's some stairways right here and it doesn't say no entrance. Let's go see what's up there, shall we? Inmate visitation. It doesn't say restricted area. It doesn't say restricted area. I can't go up here. Why? But it doesn't say I can't go up here. Well, they got all this right here, but there's no offices. Look at this. Look at this hallway. Yeah. That's crazy, huh? It's like infinite. No signs.
You go ask that lady real quick.
Yeah, let's go ask
I asked her if she didn't win.
Oh, she's gone. Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
She said she wanted to talk to you.
Oh, she was? Okay, I didn't hear her. Were you talking to me?
No, it's a different lady.
Oh, she's over there now?
She walked through that door with the...
Oh.
With the
Oh, were you trying to say something to me?
You want to talk to her?
You want to talk?
I didn't figure out where you were going. That's
I was
where
going
the
up there.
visitors go.
Oh yeah, I was checking
But
it
I
out.
didn't see your badge on.
Why do I have to have a badge? Is it open to the public?
I didn't know. Usually when people go up high.
Is it open to the public?
All that stuff on.
Is it not open to the public?
Yeah, go ahead. Go.
Oh,
I was just asking you.
I was just wondering. Bye. Hey, I wonder if they've had any in-custody deaths today. Maybe we should ask before we go up there.
I'm sure if they did, it wouldn't get indicted like
Ooh.
Marvin Scott.
Hey, you don't have any of those guards that murdered Marvin Scott, do you? Because I don't want to go up there and get murdered. Yes, it said murder on the death certificate. When they murdered Marvin Scott, it said murdered on. Okay, we'll go find out. We're gonna go find out.
I tried to request those officers' names at the jail and not.
Yeah. It said homicide on. Are you talking to me or are you talking to her? It said homicide on the autopsy report, so that means he got murdered. Does homicide mean murder? Okay. She doesn't know if homicide means murder.
So what was the officer's name that was responsible for the death of Marvin Scott?
There was eight of them. So if we go,
Do you know the names of them or not?
will they tell us the names of the people that murdered Marvin Scott? I need to know who murdered Marvin Scott. Who the 8 guys were. No. Oh well, you're a public servant. You're gonna get filmed. You don't have. If you're a public servant, you can be filmed. So you're being filmed. There you are. So can you tell me who killed Marvin Scott? We really want to know who killed Marvin Scott. So can you just give me the list of the people that killed Marvin Scott? No comment. Well, it looks like the jail is still corrupt. I wonder what's going on in the courthouse. Whoa, isn't that the DA named Greg Willis who couldn't bring an indictment against the guys that murdered Marvin Scott? It is. And Greg Willis is caught up in the scandal of the century for Collin County. He has 8 women accusing him of sexual harassment.
The district attorney is defending himself tonight against accusations that he sexually harassed current and former employees. So Greg Willis held himself a news conference today trying to refute the claims made by those staffers in a 75-page lawsuit which was filed back in October.
I can't imagine what would motivate someone to file false copycat allegations in court. Perhaps they're seeking a financial windfall.
Or maybe they're motivated by the fact that you did it! You did it! How could 8 people have the same story? Allegedly. So I began my tour of the Collin County Courthouse at the probation office, where I found no friendly faces behind the glass at all. How long have you been waiting here? Oh, okay. I like you. Perfect. Well, I'm not a cop. I'm on this side. Hi, I was wondering, how come you make these people wait so long before you see them? Like, they took off work and they're getting babysitters and stuff? Huh? Me? Oh, they're not? Okay, well, we'll see, because usually people have to wait a long time, because usually the probation officers are back there just playing around. I am. I'm having a great time filming you. I'll fix it up so you look better. I know. I'm so funny, I forgot to laugh. Okay. You can record the person recording, that's fine. So, what's the recidivism rate? Do you know? Do you know what that big word means? Recidivism? What's your recidivism rate? Do you know? Do you know what that big word means? Do you need to look it up on the dictionary? Recidivism. That means how many people do you violate unnecessarily? How many people are on probation in this county? How many people are on probation in this county? You don't know? When's the last time you violated somebody? You don't know? When's the last time you violated someone's rights by lying on them? When's the last time you lied to the judge? Falsified a police report? Called the cops on someone that wasn't, it wasn't necessary to do that? You told me to have fun while I was filming. Oh, she's calling somebody. I gotta go now. Calling somebody. Bye. Good luck. Good luck to you guys. Appreciate y'all. I really wasn't sure what he meant by good luck, but I was fixing to find out, because this place is cursed. Oh, we got some people, we got some looky-loos. Let's see what these looky-loos are doing. Got some looky-loos. Oh, they ran. Oh, watch over. Oh, listen to this. Oh, they left the room. Okay. We got some looky-loos at the district clerk's office. Here's a couple other things you could ask. You could ask, how did Greg Willis allow himself to be involved in a scandal? And why did the district clerk close early and lock their doors? While you're at it, why don't you just ask them, why do the guards violate First Amendment rights? When's the last time you falsified a police report? When's the last time
You need to leave. Quit recording inside the building. You're not permitted to be recording inside.
Oh, yes, I am.
You need to leave.
Not leaving.
All right,
Not for
you're gonna
recording.
be arrested if you don't.
I'm going to be arrested if I don't.
Yes.
It's not against the law to
It
report
is.
people.
It's against the law to be in here recording.
No, it's not. No, it's
You're not
not.
recording in this
I'm
building. You
recording
need to leave.
I'm recording you.
All right, give me your ID right now.
Nope. I have to be committing a crime. Recording is not committing a crime.
You're in this building.
Recording is not committing a crime.
You need
I
to
have to
leave.
record. He's telling me I have to leave. I'm allowed to restrict film in public. Turner versus driver. You cannot trespass me in public. Yes, I can. Follow me like a puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. You're not going to lay hands on me. Come on, puppy. Follow me, dog. Shout out to the nice family that I spoke to. If you have any footage of this guy chasing me out to my car, please email me at CarolinaInFortWorth, all one word, @gmail.com.
You're not allowed in there with the camera.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Do not come back in this building.
Ah! So, courthouse employees, you better have a staff meeting because I will be back.